Hey man, I'm doing a little photo project. Can I take a picture?
The Canon AE1 is a 35mm SLR film camera. It was manufactured in Japan from 1976 to 1984. The model I have here is the later upgraded version, which is called the AE1 Program. Canon manufactured this after listening to users that wanted a program auto exposure mode. Program mode sets both the shutter speed and aperture automatically. The user focuses the camera and then presses the shutter button. This ease of use feature was the main focus of Canon's marketing campaign, and both the AE1 and the AE1 Program were enormous financial successes, in part because they pioneered cost-cutting measures that competitors had difficulty matching. The AE1 Program's automated features and simple controls helped introduce many new consumers to the SLR camera. So I bought this camera back in 2018, and it cost me $170. I'm not sure how much that is in pounds today. So yeah, about 130 quid, which is actually quite a lot, but it did come mint condition. If you go on eBay, you can find these Japanese sort of camera stores, and I think they buy old cameras and refurbish them, make them mint condition and sell them on. So this was the first film camera that I bought, and I used it a couple of times in China, not that many if I'm honest with you. And I was happy with the images. I was happy with what I got from it, but I only ever used colour film. Now, this camera uses the old Canon FD mount, which is pretty cool because you can find some really good second-hand lenses, sometimes at a good price, sometimes not. But this one, it came with this 50mm f1.4, which is a really smart lens. It produces a really sharp image, and it's just overall build quality is great. You know, back in the day, they used to build things properly. Is solid. I would like to try something like a 28mm or a 35mm because as I'm into street photography, those focal lengths are more suited towards street photography, so perhaps I'll look into buying one of those when I can. I almost forgot one of the most important things we need to do here. Don't you just love the sound of the 70s, the 80s, whatever it is? I love it. Absolutely love it. So the way I'm going to test this camera is I'm going to shoot my 3 favourite genres of photography, which are, in no particular order, architecture, street and portraits. I really like to shoot those 3 genres, so that's what I'm going to be focusing on. No pun intended. I honestly didn't mean that. I didn't mean that pun then. Good lord. So for this shoot, I'm going to be using the Ilford XP2 Super 400 film, if I can get the damn thing open. Ilford Photo is a UK manufacturer of photographic materials, known worldwide for its black and white film. Unlike most of the black and white films, XP2 Super can be processed using the same chemicals as colour print film, which uses the C41 process. This produces a monochrome negative despite the development process. I thought I'd start by coming to our crown jewel, the transporter bridge, and I believe that there's only 5 of these working now in the world. I'll have to check that, but I believe it is 5. I just googled it and there's only two working in the world. It's a pretty moody day. Actually, I haven't shot in the rain for quite a while. It has a very industrial feel, and this would work well with this film. So let's see, let's check it out. The next place we'll go to is the town centre, and we'll attempt some street photography. Hopefully we can get some decent photos. So what I'll do is I'll strap the GoPro on and
gonna wait for those two ladies to cross the roads now. I think I got it. Shit. Hey man, I'm doing a little photo project. Can I take a picture? Alright. Is that okay? Thanks man. Let's see. It's old film it is. Yeah. That's awesome, thanks very much. This building here is my old university, in fact. I want to get 2 shots of these pigeons. 1 of them sat there, and 2 I'm going to make them fly away. So see how close I can get actually. Don't really know how that turned out, to be honest, but we're gonna see. Well, I've got like 6 or 7 shots left, so I think that's it for the city centre and the urban shots. Oh shit. Well, I really enjoyed that. It's been a while since I've been on the streets with a camera. So I've got 6 or 7 shots left on the roll. And I'd like to try some portraits with this film. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm heading home, I'm gonna grab Jabek, and we're gonna do some portraits. I've grabbed Jabek, and we've come to a place which I wanted to come to for quite some time actually and do some portraits. I'm not sure if we've got the best light for this film at the moment, but we're gonna try it anyway, and let's see what we get. Okay, I'm just gonna try this one. No, can you have your head like straight? I'm just gonna have half of your face in the frame. And look into the lens, please. Okay, ready? So keep your head straight. Look slightly towards the right. No, you're right, the other way. Sorry, your left. Your left. Yeah. Hold it. Hold it, don't blink. 3, 2, 1. casual as possible. Okay, 3, 2, 1. All right. Yeah. What if I come close to the face this time, like mid, sort of a, yeah, not full body, but sort of a medium shot. Okay. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Don't blink. Okay. No, I don't like the tree in the background. Sorry. Let's try it this way with this. That's better. Yeah. I think it's better. This one's better wide. Can you go just back 3 steps? I'm trying to get the grand scale of this bridge. That's a good pose. Keep it like that. That pose is good. No, that's fine. Ready? Oh, wait there. Forgot to cock. Ready? 3, 2. Dreamy eyes. Sorry, made you laugh. 3, 2. Look into the lens. 1. Yep. Oh. Ah. That was a good shot as well. Oh well, I'll have to get it next time. So that is the end of the film.
Well, that is it, and I gotta say, this little beauty really did well, and the Ilford XP2 400 is a fantastic film, and I will be using this again. So I just want to say thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one. So I'm not going to bang on about this camera too much. I'm not going to bang on